It's Ibadan stone this time around. So ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìbàdàn ẹ kú oríire o. This is me inviting every Ibadan child.
Tọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ṣì máa fún yín ní àǹfààní láti wo fídíò náà ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́, ṣùgbọ́n kí a tó tẹ̀síwájú bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyí, bí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú Ìbàdàn bí ó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ ní nígbà tí Queen Naomi tí ó sọ̀rọ̀ tí ó gbé sórí ìtàkùn ayélujára rẹ̀ Instagram tí ó invite gbogbo àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké ní ìlú Ìbàdàn wípé kí wọ́n gbìyànjú kí wọ́n wá pé òun fẹ́ ṣe àpèjẹ ráńpẹ́ fún wọn. Ẹ gbìyànjú láti wo fídíò yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí, rí púpọ̀ lára yín ò mọ bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ òun nìyí o, òun la fẹ́ fi hàn yín báyìí.
It's Ibadan stone this time around. So ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìbàdàn ẹ kú oríire o. This is me inviting every Ibadan child. We are targeting 5,000. That's our target. So once it's 5,000, we may not be able to accommodate. So first come first serve. Ìwọ ìyá tó ń gbọ́ mi, ìwọ bàbá tó ń tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ sí Yorùbá là ń sọ sí. Ẹ̀yin bàbá ẹ̀yin ìyá tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi. You know, àsìkò ní fún yín láti rí pé àwọn ọmọ yín wọ́n dára yá, wọ́n á jẹ, wọ́n á mu. I love children. I love being around children. There's just something about them. Their purity. God loves them. Ọmọdé ò lẹ́ṣẹ̀. They don't, you can't find children hating on another person. They are those children. And so because of that, let's come together and support them. We are going to Ibadan this time. It's actually, I must say that Ibadan is the biggest and largest city that we have been to in Southwest. So it's the first of its kind for us. Yes, we've done several outreaches, but this time around, it's Ibadan. And you know, we are expecting God to come through and come big for us. We are coming. Come out. Now it's about time to talk about the venue. Our venue this year in Ibadan is Islamic High School, Bashorun. That's where we'll be 10 a.m. Be there. 10 a.m. on the dot. In fact, you can come before 10 a.m. The place is opened. 10 a.m. you are there. First come, first serve. You know how it is now because